Education for Successful Life. Chief Minister Biren launches School Fagat Hansi mission to improve education sector. Resolutions to protect Manipur. One-day academic discourse of JCILPS takes 4 resolutions including statewide mass agitation against CAB 2016. Final adieu. Veteran journalist Akoizan Sanaton passed away at 71 last night. Media fraternities pays tribute to the renowned journalist at Manipur Press Club. And praying for happiness and prosperity. Meitei community observes Ima Imoinu Irathoni with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has to date launched School Fagat Hansi mission with an aim to improve the education sector of the state. The third mission of the government after Go to Village and Go to Hill missions was launched at an event organized by the Education Department at Yumnam Huitrom High School of Wangoi constituency in Imphal West District. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Biren stated that government alone is not responsible for protecting the state, but even the public play a significant role. Mentioning about Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act, he urged the public not to sell their estate for some money just to anybody. Biren also said that the state will not progress until and unless all parents can afford to provide education to their children. The Chief Minister also stressed the need for nutritious diet for each and every child so that they may attain maturity with healthy mind and body to be able to make contribution for the society. Speaking in the event, Education Minister T.H. Radishyam stated that the government is taking up necessary measures in sync with the modern time to bring development in the state. Assuring of necessary measures to improve education sector of the state, the Education Minister urged all parents and guardians to extend cooperation. He asserted that students can be ensured successful life only through proper education.
Innovagi Torok Nala Mada Hangama Kamata Toga Yolaga Masala Hitamnabo Honori Mana Yola Ibu Kobi Dugi Profit School Gi Angan Siam the Loisabe Angan Amada Puna Lupalising Nifuma to the Gina Humfu Dolga class Gizi the class 10 bow. Sigi listening Nifuma to Isa Malay Tamna Bonabada Imungu Purum Wawashio. I do not lie about I don't lie in a lady. I couldn't lie about Pukana Bonabusing Number. Otherwise, Atopa schools in the period facilities or many schools some infrastructure, Kari Yaquinamo, Matin is Yasandaki, yes and every schools, Aquina model, Sumana Kantoba, Sugumba School, Equakendra Kudingi, Hanbagi Wena Amam, Kankalaga, Kendro, Pushida School Humpuka, Triangle, Uziki Kangalaba School Humpu, Hanbagi said, Mashida pre nursery, Mashiki class Hanbagi, Madugi, Darkano Iva, Paza, infrastructure, Madu provide on Madu, pre nursery, the KZ, Matan, class 1 to Udum Sakran, Atopa school, the transfer to Bugina. Difficulties.
Agitation against the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 continued in the state. United Club Manipur UCM Imphal East and All Manipur United Club Organization AMUCO jointly organized a protest meet against the bill today. Various slogans were chanted against the bill during the sit-in stays at New Chekon Tribal Market Complex. JCILPS organized a one-day academic discourse on the contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Manipur Press Club today. The meeting took 4 resolutions of demanding a special Manipur Legislative Assembly session to discuss on the bill, to stand against implementation of the bill in northeast states, especially Manipur, to carry out mass agitation against the bill under the initiative of JCILPS, and to pressurize for President's assent on Manipur People Bill 2018.
India manungdagi lakpa to mayam ama laknaba ngamdabagi chaitheng ama khoi Manipur di nangdan lairibani masigi mathakta hojikti foreign country ahumdagi lakpa hana illegal migrant haidana lauramba singa da hojikti legalize arokan Indian citizen oirakpa matamda aikoin thengnaramiba awaba polum adudagi amukka henna achauba polum ama oiragani achauba tsunami ama laakana khoi pudamuk pulukhiba yabagi humdana pugiba yabagi akiba leibadagi asigumba CAB 2016 ase yamna maru en lawjarakan masi akhoi miyam humna masi mayoknagadabani masigi oppose tawgadabani masi bo akhoi Manipur gi laimaida masi chanaba sukya yaroi habagi achetba phirab lawnabagi damakta asigumba ngasigi one day academic discourse on the CAB 2016 ase sinjabani.
Manipur University Teachers Association also organized a one-day discourse on Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at the university's court hall today. Representatives of various civil society organizations, students and teachers taking part in the meet were enlightened by experts on the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and its possible impact on Manipur People's Bill and Assam Accord. 10 experts, including social activist Ningthokcha Lanta, Professor of Manipur University KSH Bimola, Professor Chinglen Maisnam, Professor MC Arun, and Amokok President SM Jalan, gave their resourceful insights on the bill and the possible aftermath when it is implemented. They affirmed that when CAB 2016 and Manipur People Bill 2018 are enacted into acts, CAB 2016 will supersede and become more valid than Manipur People Bill 2018, posing major threat to natives of the state.
Manipur People Bill also CAB haidana anisi ki manunda karama logi ke haibagi yongi tapudi mayam hajabirunu mamdi Manipur People Bill se separately phajana thamsi magi sankiti kahan tumsi so the CAB se CAB oina thamsi silawadi silaw haibagi people da tarokpatudi yamna wakal khanta wakpa dagani Manipur People Bill na haibasbi Indian ki citizen oiraba non Manipuri oiba singsangat pada entry and exit regulate toge haibo karangani matuna kasu Akuni illegal migrants or Sina, Jiripanda lady illegal migrants in the citizenship Pangraba, through Aadhaar card, through electoral list, Yahweh having claim to ration card, Panga, driving license card, Panga, Yari say, Legacy Tata, Tirabama, the Yahweh Gabanina, NRC says, Soil the Honda Tavani, CAB against the Pilepa Tavani.
5 student bodies of the state, namely Socialist Student Union of Manipur, Manipur Student Association Delhi, All Meitei Pangan Student of Manipur, Reformist Student Front and All Manipur Muslim Student Organization have resolved to carry out a statewide agitation against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 on January 20. Speaking to media at SSUM office in Kesampa today, Secretary General of the Reformist Student Front, Amarjit Ningthokcha, appealed to stay sit-in against the bill. He said that the upcoming statewide agitation will be carried out on 3 demands, that is, withdrawal of CAB 2016, resignation of MLAs and ministers supporting the bill, and to exterminate any organization or political party supporting the bill from the state.
Bill asi ke mayokta changsin lakwa khongjang singi saruk amoina lagleba January gi tang kunda Manipur gi mafam khuding sinba thungna chathagadoriba mass protest agitation asida notice ta leiriba yellow missing bu kanna bohna bada Manipur da leiriba IMIBL civil society organization student organization khuding mangna saruk yabiduna bill asi ke mayokta leiduna yellow missing kandabe ade haiba wakhalo nadu munna khantha birakanda agitation asida thokpiraktuna saruk yabiu.
As a part of the ongoing protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 initiated by 6 student bodies, namely AMSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK and EMSA, poster campaigns were launched at vehicle parking of Wahengbam Lekai and Samu Makong this afternoon. Speaking to media, representatives of the 6 student bodies, MSF President N.G. Milland warned of intense hesitations along with various civil society organizations of the Northeast states until the bill is withdrawn. He also intimated that no agreement was reached in yesterday's meeting held between the government and representatives of the 6 student bodies. He urged everyone to take part in the upcoming public meeting to discuss on the bill at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University on January 20.
government invitation pirak pagi matungina akoi first round akoi table talk amadi tawjare adubo hariba talk ado akoina hope tawjaramba akoina khanjaramba adumak oigidre fruitful oiba talk nate maramaduna hariba akoi ngasagi government ga wari sanagraga yasinaba porakre ka habagi praja singda manipur miam da leriba tamam na badu kopiyo akoi haujik mahiroi lup tarukta lengdana haujik dum akoi wakalonda akoi objective Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 aduga January 9 dagi 2019 one giba bill se masi mayokta still lepi aduga masi je Rajya Sabha da pass tawrukta na ba loina Rajya Sabha akoi ngasagi hariba bill asina akoi da pigata ba chaiting chaina myam do madu dugi mayokta asi jodum lepi.
Veteran journalist and active member of the Manipur People's Party and former president of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMZU, Akoizam Sanaton, passed away at the age of 71 at his residence in Singzamai, Wangmal Khetri Lekai after a prolonged ailment last night. He is survived by his wife, 2 sons and 1 daughter. Members of AMZU, Editor Guilds Manipur and media fraternity paid homage to the late journalist at Manipur Press Club today. A.K. Sanaton served as the editor of Iho Daily and was the 7th president of AMZU. He was instrumental in pushing through the journalist pension scheme, which every working journalist is entitled to today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and IPR Minister Thongam Biswasit in a separate press releases condoled the untimely demise of eminent journalist of Manipur, Akoizam Sanaton, who passed away on January 17. Biswasit said that the demise of A.K. Sanaton, who was a social activist, a political columnist and an orator, has left a vacuum in the media fraternity. Manipur People's Party in a press release expressed grief over the untimely demise of the party's former General Secretary and advisor Akoizam Sanaton. Security has beeped off in Imphal City ahead of the Republic Day. As part of the security measures, a police commando team under the supervision of the additional SP operation, Imphal West Police T.H. Krishna Tombi carried out cordon and search operation at Kalibari Press Club and Hotel Nongint of Mizorkul from 7:45 to 8:20 this morning. 124 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 9 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked off and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah has conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially to Jalangrong community, on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Gangai Festival. She wished that the joyous festival will bring lots of hope and aspirations and enhance love and harmony among the people. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and Rajya Sabha Speaker K. Babananda have also sent heartiest greetings on the eve of the festival. Thangmaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan today greeted Kawi residents of Thangmaiban constituency on the joyous occasion of Gangai, the largest festival of Jalangrong Naga community. 5-day-long celebration of Gangai festival will begin tomorrow. MLA Joy Kisan personally wished Kawik inhabitants of Mizorkul in the constituency and presented winter blankets and food items as Gangai gifts to Kunbu, the village chief and senior citizens. Speaking to media, MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan wished for the festival to herald peace and prosperity for the community. Gangai, also known as Chakang Gangai and recognized as the tourist festival of India by the government of India, is the festival of the Jalangrong people of Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. The post-harvest festival is also described as a New Year festival as it marks the end of the year and beginning of the new year. The festival is mentally celebrated by followers and devotees of Jalangrong indigenous religion of Tingkau, Rakwang, Chapriak and Heraka.
Gangai Thorom Lakpada, Koi Manipur, Kundariba, Kabui Jati Singh, Maroina Tamibanda Tariba, Kabui Jati Singh da, Aikimaki dagi, Yape Popul Pijari, Numisi dagi, Akui Ladiba, Kabui Jati Singh, Han Lemba Taki, Hetna Sakatpa, Panungaiba, Amagamuga Nuksinaba, Sakopo Ocean Haidana, Asiga, Michiga Mari Lenana, Hana, Yape Popul Pijari, Tamibangi, Hoigi, Gangai Thorom. pangthokliba khungi akhoi kabui Selino, CHL Halaman, Kudimaktasu, Makoina Torubada, Yapamangoloinava, Hena Sakapa Production, Haiduna, Ayana Short Kurumzet.
Works Minister Thongam Biswazit wished the people of the state on the auspicious occasion of Imoinu Ira Thoni today. He wished that the festival will herald an era of development, prosperity, and harmony in the state. NIDP also greeted the people of the state on the occasion. Patswai Kendra Development Council and Manipur People's Democratic Front in separate press releases also wished Kabu community on the joyous occasion of Gangai. Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit extended full support in all the undertakings of civil society organizations to prevent brewing and export of liquor from the state. Speaking to media at JDU office in Chekon today, Chief General Secretary of JDU Manipur State Unit M. Dorendro expressed disappointment over the efforts of the state government to brew and export liquor from the state, as liquor already is prohibited in the state under the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Act 1991. He expressed apprehension that the government's initiative will lead to famine in near future, inviting another Nupi line. JDU extended full support to Coalition Against Drugs Abuses, KADA, and all Manipur Social Reformation and Development Samas in their movement against the same. Meanwhile, JDU Manipur State conveyed heartiest greetings to the people of the state, especially to Jelengrong community on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Gangai Festival.
Koi thaile khong ji phajana semdana adagi chathok anirak loknabagi khudong chanaba adu ma sinbi basu ambo leitri yu sungdana sarkar sina ngami habe matagum kayumba yu si sungda thadok taragadi cheng tangwi gi samesa amadi soidra mayong ne habasidi masi kan ngai leitra phomni aduna sak tangwi irang aman ohum jubuni pilana ma invite to buni na khona lokje dabangamde.
Catholic Educational Society Manipur CESM in a press release informed that a meeting was held between top officials of Catholic Mission School in Imphal Valley and the Education Minister to discuss on the admission procedure for the academic session 2019-20. The meeting resolved to conduct lottery for admission without provision for any quota system, spurring reservation of seats meant for Catholic minority and traditionally fixed local area. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on an exclusive report on beetle nut pillar designed by a teacher and a student of Ananda Purna School in Thobal. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Betel nuts and leaves are essential items for any ceremony and rituals of the state. However, peeling betel nuts is not an easy task. Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha, Pinky Okram and camera person Irom Mocha bring you an exclusive report on how one teacher and one student of Ananda Purna School in Thobal came up with an innovative technique to peel betel nuts with ease.
Manipur is undoubtedly bestowed with talented individuals, whether it be in the field of sports, arts or education, bringing laurels for the state and the country. Innovators and pioneers were also felicitated from time to time by the government. Teacher Sapam Swaminath and Class 9 student Pearl Ningthokjam of Anandapurna School in Thobal have designed a betel nut peeler to make peeling of betel nuts an easy task.
Maru khetpada minute ani dagina ahum phawba changi karigumba khoisigi machine je sizinaba tarabadi khoina ahamba kwa maru sigi ahamba layer fiber sing se lothok piraba matungda sigi kwa maru sing se khoina sigi peeling chamber haina kawi sigi plastic pipe sing se da hapchan biraga rubber plants na khumjallaba matungda minute ama pharaba matungda kwa maru se sumaina thok tini.
No heavy investment is required to build the appliance, which is made out of DC motor, steel, tensari blade, rubber and electric wire. The electric run peeler can peel around 6 betel nuts in just 1 minute. The innovative peeler will ease peeling betel nuts during religious ceremonies, as well as it will be big relief for vendors who earn their livelihood by selling komkwa.
Sarkar na policy ama sembiduna naharol sing da sukari guma makhoida ama takpi batarabadi makhoida sukanaba amasung state ki damakta su national ki damakta su amasung world ki damakta su kanaba kya puthokpa ngamgani haina khanjai.
It may be mentioned that the same pillar won State Best Model Award during the Eastern India Science and Engineering Fair 2019 held at Birla Industrial and Technological Museum BITM in Kolkata from January 8 to 12. Teacher Sapam Swaminath, who mentored Pearl in coming up with the model, was also accorded with Best Guide Award at the fair.
Innovator mayam innovator mayam de makoi gi lekai lamdam da makoi na thijaru bana tana government gi side gi investigation mayam la ga thijan biraga miyeng changhan biraga de akoi gi lamdam sida nakal amadagi sel thungi pemam hena phagalakani.
Reaching out government startup programs and Make in Manipur scheme to such innovators will undoubtedly boost their spirits and herald many more innovations in the future.
Hazari je akoi school gi oina thamna bakata nate model jina akoi public ta ethen phami kwa yo lebi natraga arang bom satpa puna mangna ai model je teng lobi raga akoi market ta chauna phanganing bagi apamba ma lejai.
With Impact News reporters RC Mangangcha, Pinky Okram and camera person Irom Mocha, this is Ibetoy Tokchom, Impact News, Imphal.
Vendors of Thangal Bazaar today seized normal activities and protested the ban imposed on parking of vehicles in Thangal Bazaar. Speaking to media, one vendor of Thangal Bazaar expressed disappointment over frequent blocking of stretch of Thangal Bazaar. He demanded to restrict entry of vehicles and parking of vehicles even in Pona Market and not only in Thangal Bazaar if it is to control traffic jam. He said such restrictions have hampered their business and urged the relevant authority to look into the matter. LMGSA, Ekadasi Mipurmed and National Youth Project Manipur Unit have condoled the untimely demise of dance teacher of Laistram Mani Gaura Sangit Academy, LMGSA of Thobal Wangkem, Kumari Laistram Nirmala Chanu. Members of the association held a condolence meet and observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar encouraged people of the state for widespread cultivation of medicinal plants. He assured to provide medicinal plant saplings if people are willing to help the government in return. The minister urged people to leave behind laziness and take up enterprises instead of waiting for government jobs. Minister Jayantakumar was speaking on the 6th day of the 4th Singju Festival 2019, organized by Singju Festival Committee at Sangaitel Park in Imphal West. The minister disclosed that a drug testing laboratory is coming out in the state in near future.
Herbal medicinal plant culture top se lemongrass ati apachol tha se citronella ga hi tha se kuli shol semi ba pami buti mo ki sin na bam leimong ak nei allam ma jing thambi ra mi ba makhal gi masi potin ja kun ari ma da khang da ba gi kun haida ba gi kun tan ba gi mahan ba tar ge di madu pap tu madu kun pusin ba ta adin younger generation lak da kam top se ha ba tar ge di lai ba kam mo su thabak tan da ba sarkar da lai ba kam mo su mayam da khanghan ba ani si ko ne sin changi mi le du di chai manga ki wa ni Minister cai mga tiwani pamda sindolo but kanang mapuno habitani prajar mapune papuori be prajar dunda kaman tumina pham lerga noina puraka dawni na khalle adi lerga di aran makli wakal mai.
Vice Chairman of Food and Industries Corporation of Manipur, K. Sarat Kumar, inspected water treatment plant at Vidyanagar in Jiribamd around 11 this morning. The treatment plant was constructed under Urban Infrastructure Development Scheme of Small and Medium Towns UIDSSMT at an estimated of 5.78 crore rupees since 2011. Speaking to media, K. Sarat Kumar stated that people of Jiribamd are facing a lot of difficulties due to unavailability of safe drinking water. He hoped that the water treatment plant, once completed, will ease the plight facing the people. He also expressed disappointment over seizing of sericulture farm and Kesu nuts development farm in Jiribamd and expressed that it is not only the loss of Jiribamd but for Manipur as a whole. Sarat Kumar intimated that he will inspect Industrial Training Institute, ITI and bamboo chipping plant tomorrow. RIMS Non-Teaching Employees Welfare Association in a press release informed that the association has withdrawn its cease work strike from today as RIMS authority has given a positive note to fulfill their demands. Caesar Hospital successfully performed bilateral hip replacement surgery. Speaking to media at the auditorium of Caesar Hospital, Medical Superintendent of Caesar Hospital, Sorokhaibam Jugendra, intimated that bilateral hip replacement surgery was successfully performed on Amom Ongbi Leihau from Wangwu Halub Makalaikai. He said the patient, who was bedridden is now moving around normally.
Hanbada Tarik Kulundoi Nipan 2018 sida first operation yelong bisi Han Taur Matungda Taik Tramari December 2018 sida Ani Subo operation Su Taurabam Matungda Nakan Animak hip replacement se Taukre Dr. Fruit Sabam Ivoyama Koi orthopedic surgeon na Sigi operation se Pangto Matungda Hojik Anabasi Kankalaga Hana Hogula Chatpangamam Dabadu Hojik Chatpangame.
Consultant orthopedic surgeon of the Caesar Hospital, Iboyaima Fritz Sabam, performed the surgery. He said osteoarthritis and vascular necrosis can render a patient immobile. 66-year-old Leihau expressed happiness that she can now walk around normally after the operation.
Fairugi saruse sijalakpadagi akoina patient chatpang amaktraba patient si akoina metallic implants natraga implant makhan polyethylene kaina implant makhan ani hum leiri masi hapaga hana sigraba hangdo amuk anoba masemaga patient chatpang amnaba semjaban
aina nar pasahi ni pana sida aina phamunda yawan yata bangamdana warkhiba tumba saba yadana khongham khobat punam kata yang warkhiba chatpang amdana yumda dum matam kuina raire Sehi mangatau selai pasira ngasidi semain tau dana tu aise doctor ibungo iboyai mathenga bidana aise nungai hanbire.
New Moray Sinai Bank and Guite Bank Moray jointly held Silver Jubilee celebration at Moray High School ground today. Silver Jubilee Memorial Stone was unveiled and a souvenir was also released on the occasion. Executive Member of the Autonomous District Council, Chandal M. Matthew Maring, ADC members J.N. Vaite, Lambui Kangte, C.H. Namthang Mate, and President of Hill Tribal Council Moray, Jinkosai Lungdint was present in the celebration. Traditional songs and dance of Kaching community were showcased in the event. Kamasom Pundar village appreciated for making the final destination of the second Goodwill Car Rally in the village. The car rally was organized by Sainik School Imphal Alumni Association SSIAA Adventure Club from January 11 to 13. The villagers stated that the event helped in boosting ecotourism and homestay facility of the village. The villagers also expressed gratitude for presenting 2 water pumps to the village and for organizing a counseling and blood sample collection of hepatitis C camp in collaboration with Babina Diagnostic in the village. Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha Bishnupur District held Vijay Lakshya 2019 program in view of the upcoming Lok Sabha election today. The program was held on the theme Lakshya Hamara Modi Dobara at Sandra Resort Park. National President of Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha, Poonam Mahajan, discussed on various issues facing the public with BJP Yuva Morchas of 16 states through video conferencing in the program. Speaking about Manipur, Poonam Mahajan exerted that BJP government has ensured electricity to over 18,000 households who were earlier deprived of electricity during the previous government. President of BJP Yuva Morcha Manipur Pradesh P. Somorzit and Vice President retired IPS T.H. Basanta were among those present in the event. Deputy Chief Minister Yimnam Joykumar has inaugurated an exclusive showroom of the next one of the most trusted jewelry brand in Thangmeiban DM College Road today. The next has 276 exclusive boutiques across 170 cities in the country. Speaking on the sidelines at Hotel Imphal, Senior Vice President of Titan Company Limited, Retail and Marketing Jewelry Division Sandeep Kohali said, the first ever exclusive The Next showroom of Manipur will make available a range of unique and exclusive jewelry items. He assured that parametered equipments in the showroom will check quality of gold to ease customer doubts. Sandeep said, as an introductory offer, gold coin of 0.2 gram will be given for every purchase of 10,000 rupees worth blend gold and diamond jewelry from January 18 to 20. Business partner of the showroom, Rajesh Film, said traditional Manipuri jewelry items will be added soon in the collections.
We are present in the Northeast in Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Silchar, and Butala. But this east of Northeast we have never been before. This is the first attempt. And we're extremely proud to have Rajesh and Doreen, film partners and family members to join us in our venture, offering India's best jewelry brand to the customers of Manipur. Tanishq has been about 22-year-old brand from the Tatas, established in 96. And today we have 276 stores in about 170 towns across the length and breadth of India.
Meitei community in the state and around the world today observed Ima Imoinu Ira Thongni and prayed to the goddess of wealth. Local clubs and organizations held Ima Imoinu Ira Thongni programs across the state. League of Kelo Patriots observed the day at Wangkaining Tempukri, Mapal and Poiri Itiba Luft at Yumnam Laikai with traditional fervor and gaiety. Ima Imoinu Ira Thongni is observed in every Meitei household on the 12th day of the Wokching as per Manipuri lunar calendar, once in a year, praying for wealth and happiness. More Meitei Lai Thogal Lubt also observed Ima Imoinu Ira Thongni at More Meitei Sanglan since early in the morning today. A devotional rally was also carried out in the evening. Ka Kangleiron Tiba Chingdam Sanamahi Thogal Lubt celebrated Imoinu Ira Thongni at the shrine of Itai Punaching today. Speaking in the event, Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Naringbam Sarmarjit, stated that Salai has undertaken various projects for the state. He said Salai takes keen interest in renovating and preserving historical sites of the state. Salai has been donating 5,000 rupees to caretaker of the shrine, Rameshwar Sograkpamt, every month. The company also donated 30,000 rupees for the event. Kondom Tromazid, Yumnam Amarjit and Sapam Romis bagged the top 3 winners of the Imoinu Lamsang Lamzel half marathon today. The race was organized by Ira Thogal Lubt, Ithog Lubt, Hairanggoitong under the aegis of Manipur Athletic Association. Senior Vice President of Manipur Masters Athlete Association and Amumacha, President of Manipur Athletic Association Laisangthem Azit, Joint Secretary of Manipur Olympic Association Ito Tongbramt, sport enthusiasts and many people in the area attended the valedictory function held at Hairanggoitong Market. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Education for Successful Life. Chief Minister Biren launches School Fagat Hansi mission to improve education sector. Resolutions to protect Manipur. One-day academic discourse of JCILPS text 4 resolution, including statewide mass hesitation against CAB 2016. Final adieu. Veteran journalist Akoizam Sanatun passed away at 71 last night. Media fraternities pays tribute to the renowned journalist at Manipur Press Club. And praying for happiness and prosperity. Meitei community observed Ima Imoinu Ira Thongni with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state.